Did satellites finally discover the biblical Garden of Eden? The search for the location of the biblical Garden of Eden has fascinated people for centuries. And now a new study suggests that it may have been located in an area that is now underwater. What does the data say, and what does it mean for our understanding of this ancient place? Join us as we explore the latest findings in this ongoing mystery. The story of the Garden of Eden is one that many are familiar with. According to the Bible, it was the home of the first humans, Adam and Eve, before they were cast out by God for disobeying His command. It was a place of paradise where they lived in harmony with nature until their disobedience led to their expulsion from this blissful abode. The exact location of the garden has been a subject of debate and speculation for centuries, with some believing it to be in the Middle East and others believing it to be in a different location altogether. Recent studies suggest that it could have been situated in a region that is currently submerged beneath the waves. Researchers used high-resolution bathymetric data to create detailed maps of the submerged landscape in the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. They focused onto specific areas known as the Indus and the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. These regions were chosen due to their proximity to each other and to known biblical sites, such as the Garden of the Houris mentioned in Islamic texts. Analysis of the bathymetric data revealed the presence of two large lobes separated by a narrow channel, just 30 miles wide. Each lobe contained a series of smaller lobes arranged in a way that resembled the shape of a flower. This unique formation caught the researchers' attention and prompted them to investigate further. As they delved deeper into their investigation, they discovered additional intriguing details about these underwater structures. One particular small lobe stood out as it had a perfectly round shape similar to the biblical description of the Garden of Eden as a square garden with a wall around it. What's more, this particular structure was surrounded by an almost symmetrical wall-like formation, which could possibly represent the boundary of the garden as described in the text. But there is more evidence than just the shape of the underwater formations that suggests they could be the biblical Garden of Eden. According to the researchers, the timing of its existence aligns with the biblical account. They argue that the garden would have been located near the ancient Mesopotamian civilization, as stated in the book of Genesis. Furthermore, they point out that the Persian Gulf was once home to a significant portion of this civilization, and that the underwater structures date back to a time when humans inhabited the region. The discovery of these submerged structures has provided an exciting new lead in the search for the biblical Garden of Eden. While it is not possible to say definitively that they are the actual location, the evidence is intriguing enough to warrant further investigation. The researchers hope that their findings will inspire future expeditions to uncover more about this mysterious site and its possible connection to the biblical account. It is important to note that not everyone accepts the biblical account as historical fact, and there are various scholarly opinions regarding the existence and location of the Garden of Eden. Some believe it to be a purely symbolic or metaphorical representation of humanity's early existence, while others hold to more literal interpretation. Nevertheless, the discovery of these underwater structures has captured the imagination of many and has raised fascinating questions about the possibility of uncovering more about our ancient past through archaeological and scientific means. As technology advances and our understanding of history grows, who knows what other secrets the past may hold? The search for the biblical Garden of Eden continues to captivate the human imagination. Whether it is viewed as a literal place or a symbolic representation, the story of the garden has had a profound impact on our understanding of humanity's origins. Who knows? Future discoveries may shed more light on this enduring mystery. What do you think about the recent discovery made by the satellites? Do you think this could be the biblical Garden of Eden, or do you have another theory? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.